How to create your own hashtag on Instagram in 2021. Now this I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. To create your own hashtag on Instagram, you have to click on this plus button in the top right corner, in the top left corner. When you click on this, then you come to this page, and then you have to choose any of the posts that you want to uh, create for your choose any of the posts that you want to on your want to create your own hashtag. Then click on the next this arrow in the top right corner, then click on the next, and then you come to this page, and here you have to write a caption. So you have to click on this option, first option, write a caption. When you click on this, then you have to write a caption. So you have to uh, type here hashtag, and then you can type any of the hashtag that you can create in a new hashtags. So let's see, I type my channel name, YouTube channel name, so you can see the things to learn, and then I click on the this done button, this blue done button in the top right corner, and then here you can see the click on the always share to Facebook or not, or you can see that this post is sharing. So you can see under my all this and it is shared. So what you have to do, when you open this post on your profile page, then you can see this is the hashtag is in my caption, and when you click on this hashtag of this video, then you can see all the specific posts that use this hashtag. So here you can see, so that's basically it, that how you can create your own hashtag on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good